Breaking news! This is your chance to take the opportunity and grow your wealth. Today I am introducing you to a system which is highly efficient and recommended for gaining success and growing your wealth. This system is known as the Millionaire Partner System. Here's how it works. One proven success model: our system is built on years of experience, real-world strategies, and practical success stories. It's not theory, it's a blueprint that works. 2. Partnership power: you won't be alone in this journey. You will be guided step by step. 3. Expert guidance: from marketing strategies to business management, our team of experts will be with you at every stage, offering coaching, mentorship, and actionable advice. For scalable income potential: whether you're starting with a small investment or ready to dive in full throttle, this system scales with you. The more you commit, the more the system rewards you. Here is why you should join. 1. Zero experience required: whether you've never run a business before or are a seasoned entrepreneur, the Millionaire Partner System works for anyone. 2. Limited entry: we only partner with a select few, ensuring you're in an exclusive, high-value network. 3. Build long-term wealth: this is not about quick fixes. This is about sustainable, long-term growth that will set you up for success now and in the future. The Millionaire Partner System isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building real wealth with real work, but with the support and tools that fast-track your success. So, are you ready to take the first step towards becoming a millionaire partner? Let's get started today and build a future you've always dreamed of. Be sure to like and subscribe.